Good morning, student. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter 2, and the name of this chapter is Internet Service and Mobile Technology. Okay, here are some points are given here which we will have to discuss in this chapter. Introduction and information retrieval. But I will skip the both topic. I will start the topic email. Okay, because we don't have much time to finish our syllabus, that is why I am skipping some topics. Okay, so take out your book, but you can read this topic in your home. Okay, this is the homework. Do the self studies of both this this topic. Email means electronic mail, and it is the most widely used tool to send messages electronically, and it used a network. Email needs network to send the messages or information. Okay, in email we can send both written or graphical message. Okay, but there is some process or some procedure to send an email. Okay, and the procedure are given here: email address and account. First we have to create our email account. Okay, most of you are familiar or know more about email accounts. Okay, and you can also create your email account. I know that. Student, here are given some advantage of email. That email, to send a email, we will save our time. Okay, and the cost of the email is very low, speed is high, waste reduction, easy to use, and record maintenance. Okay, but before this I will tell you that email address commonly like this form, that is the form of email. Okay, username @ and the host name. Left side of the @ is called username, and the right side of the @ is called host name. Just like that you can create your email ID, just like som28@gmail.com. Okay, here som28 is the username and gmail.com is the host name. Okay, and another host name is also available here you can see the examples .com. These all are called host name. Okay, and this is the username. Okay, students, now we will understand this with more examples which is given here. Okay, here that the character @ is pronounced @ of the email account holder's net name. Okay, it appears, and after @ the name of net server appears, which host like email address. Okay, that is why it is called username and this is called host name. Okay, student, here are given also some keywords. Similarly, email ID Paksha @ hotmail.com. Paksha is the net name of the user and it is hosted on the server hotmail.com. Okay, server name is hotmail.com and the username is Paksha. Thus we see that an email address has two parts separated by @. Okay, it will separate the two names, usernames and host name. Username is also always situated on the left side of the @ and host name or domain name. Host name is also known as domain name. Okay, domain name is always situated at the right of the host @. Okay, and here are given the steps to create a email, and that is shown by me on the next class. Okay, now how we can view the received mail. this is the steps. You can just read these steps very very carefully. On next day I will discuss in your practical class. Okay, now here are some important notes are given there. From means this is the address of the sender of the email. Apart from the email address, the from field may contains the name of the sender also. In the from content we can fill our email address, name of sender or email ID. Okay, next is to means this is the address or addresses to which the email is sent. That means email of receiver. Okay, next is CC. What is the meaning of CC? CC means CC stand for carbon copy. Here you can specify the address of those to whom you want to send a copy of the email, and the CC recipient's name is visible to all recipients. That means इसमें क्या होता है कि आप एक कॉपी को जो है 2 पर्सन को सेंड करना चाहते हो और उसमें चाहते हो कि आपका क्या हो, दोनों को आपका आईडी दिखे कि आप उसको भी सेंड किए हो और अनदर पर्सन को. जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल कि सीता has sent the email to both गीता एंड रीता. ओके, सीता ने जो है ईमेल भेजा किसको, गीता को और रीता को. अब जो है रीता को भी ये पता होगा कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन गीता के पास भी है और गीता को भी पता होगा कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन रीता के पास भी है. मतलब ये दोनों को पता होगा कि ये कॉपी इसको भी मिला है और मुझे भी मिला है, क्योंकि वहां पे आपका ईमेल आईडी शो करेगा कि ये कार्बन कॉपी है एंड दैट इज रिसीव्ड बाय सम अनदर वन विच नेम इज गीता. ओके, बट इन द BCC हियर द नेम इज हिडन. यहाँ पे नाम जो है क्या हो जाएगा, हाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, उसको शो नहीं करेगा कि आपके अलावा और किस किस को ये कॉपी सेंड किया गया है. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट मीन्स द टाइटल ऑफ योर email. Okay, just similar to your informal letter. जैसे कि आप लोग लेटर लिखते हो, एप्लीकेशंस वगैरह लिखते हो, उसमें सब्जेक्ट फिल करते हो. Similarly you can fill the subject in your mail. Okay, body is the area where you can type your message. Okay, body ही वो एरिया है जहां पे आप अपने मैसेज को क्या करते हो, लिखते हो. Okay, attachment. Next is attachment. If you want to attach some files or some image with your email, you can just attach the file. Okay, and then date was mentioned in the bottom of your email, and then message ID, and then send your email. Okay, here are given name of the recipients, name of the receivers, and the BCC. Sorry, to means where you want to send the message. Here are given, and these are the CC. If you want to copy the file, if you don't want to copy the file, then click the BCC, and here you can put your browse or attach. Attachment is given here. In some computers attachment file are given here just like a drop down pin. ऐसे दिया रहता है कुछ सिंबल, और उस पिन को आप जब क्लिक करोगे तो आपका फाइल अटैच होगा. ओके, उसके बाद ये आता है, ये आपका बॉडी एरिया है जहां पे आप मैसेज टाइप करते हो. ओके, एंड देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू सेंड. ओके,